This is how to factory reset, clean and wipe Galaxy A21. All right, let's get into it. We are going to hold at the same time. Volume up, power. 1, 2, 3, go. Then we're going to let go as soon as the Samsung logo kicks on. Okay, and then we're going to use the volume down to choose wipe data, factory reset. And we're going to click OK with the power button. Confirm, verify, factory data reset, and click OK with the power button. We're going to verify right here, data wipe complete. And then we're going to reboot system now by pushing the power button for OK. If this has helped you, please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up.